Present.
I usually make these pancakes when I'm in a very low effort mood. If I want to get them done quickly, then I'll use even 2 pans at the same time. I use a blender and 4 ingredients. The full recipe is in the description as well. Let's begin. Here I'm using 2 cups of oats. You can use 2 cups of plant-based milk or normal milk. Using 1 ripe banana, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or neutral flavored oil. Pinch of cinnamon is optional. Half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Do not follow my poverty example. Blend it all up until you feel like it's smooth enough. Smooth operator. I hope that's not copyright. I'm adding a bit more, but the total that I used was 2 cups. Here I'm using the pan on medium heat. I'm frying the pancakes in coconut oil, but you can use any neutral flavored oil. I'll be showing you guys some failed bloopers at the end if you want to see my amazing pancake skills.
Olé! Present.